Guys, welcome back. Today we have another mini brands, and you know how much I love these because they're a great way to fill your doll's pantry or grocery store without spending a lot of money on actual American Girl or Our Generation, My Life as accessories, and they are so cute. So let's go ahead and get this one open. I'm really hoping to get something other than food and shampoo. I know there's little toys in there too, and they would be perfect for Barbie. All right, let's get this 5 surprise with the 100 plus mini brands open and take a look and see what we have. And oh no, I broke the plastic. Okay, we're gonna have to do some peeling. The little zipper broke. Can I catch it there? Can I? No! This is like opening an LOL. Okay, let's get this all open. Goodness gracious, if it doesn't rip open the right way, you're stuck. Now, as I learned from the last one, we have to try to get this plastic part off too. So I'm going to make a little rip in it. There we go. Okay. I have quite the collection of these that we have accumulated over time. So now let's pop this open and get these out. There must be an easier way. I don't know. Push. I don't know. How do you guys open them? I usually just try to pull this little tab, and apparently it does not want to work on this one. There we go. Just like a chocolate orange. There. This one is stuck. I think I've popped open some of the 5s already. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for the fun. Let's get started and see what we got. Let's start with this one. Ready? And it's... Oh, no. Look, it's the little Pez. How cute for the doll's grocery store. The only thing I don't like about this one is right here. They don't have the little cutout, but you could hang that so cute on your doll's shelf. I love it. That is so perfect for their grocery store. All right, I don't have this one. This is great. Let's open number 2. And this is the one I started to pop open. Oh, goodness. It's rice sides. Again, so cute. You could feel the little foam padding so it looks like there's stuff in it. They did such a good job with the bottom and the instructions. Oh, Nor, this is fabulous. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's turn these for you. Aren't these cute? This is a really good one. Let's move on to number 3 and hope that we get the same good stuff coming. Ready? Oh, it's the shopping basket. All right. We have the shopping cart that you have to put together. This one, I haven't figured out what you would do with it yet. It's so small. I mean, you can't really use it for Barbie. I don't know. A display piece, I guess. I don't know. That's a little disappointing. At least with the shopping basket, you can use it for Barbie. I don't know, maybe your calico critters? All right, we got 2 left. Let's hope for something good. Ready? Here it goes. There's the collector's guide. We don't need that. No, it's chili. Look at the detail with the bottom and the lid. It's a microwave, and those are the little holes to let the air out, the steam. Again, for your American Girl dolls, that is just the cutest. Oh, I love it. All right, let's go on to, oh, there's that top that didn't want to come off. Let's go on to the very last one. Let's hope it's plastic. It's not cardboard. Let's hope for something good, something we don't have. And I already have quite a few of this one. Hawaiian Tropic Tanning Lotion. So again, I mean, my doll's store will have quite a selection of these. I don't know. I think so far these 2 are my favorite. I love this because I don't have this one yet. So cute. And my doll kitchen, my American Girl kitchen, has a microwave. That is so cute. Out of all of these today, This one is my favorite. I love the little Pez. It's too bad it didn't come with the little dispenser, but it's the little Pez refills. These are so, so cute. All right, guys, that's it for today. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.